August Wilson is arguably one of the world's greatest playwrights, certainly in the last century. He did something unprecedented by writing a century cycle of 10 plays about African American experience in this country over 100 years. Really, these are great American stories about the human condition. They are about survival. August always said he wanted to write plays about the people that nobody else would write a play about, and that's exactly what he did. Two Trains Running is one of the most accessible, most hilarious, but also most heartfelt and passionate of his plays, and it is extremely timely right now because it is about reinvention, it is about reclamation, it is about authenticity of self, and about all of us trying to find exactly where we belong, exactly what belongs to us, and how we can really contribute to the world and really take our proper place as great human beings realizing their potential. I think what will surprise audience members about Two Trains Running is that the characters are so accessible. They will feel like people you know. They will feel like people you may have grown up with, or people that work in your favorite diner or favorite cafeteria or favorite bar. They will feel like people who are very close to you. August Wilson created great characters that are dimensional, that are funny, that are contradictory, that are sexy. This is a great play in terms of its human elements. And I think you will really feel close to all of them. And that's an experience that can only happen in the theater, live and in person. But everybody secretly loves that moment of tell me a story. And in the live theater, that's exactly what happens. You come in and you share in a great story about what is precious and joyful in terms of being alive. And we all share that. And Two Trains Running is a great celebration of exactly that. So Two Trains Running is a great play, and August Wilson's contribution to society and to theatrical literature is undeniable. So you can't miss it.